Assalamu alaikum. This time I want to try out the Litchi app's track and follow feature for Mavic Mini. Litchi is not an original DJI app, but it has features that the original DJI Mavic app doesn't have. Actually, this Litchi app offers a lot of features, but this time I'm gonna test only 2 features. First of all, I'll try the track feature. I simply mark with 2 fingers to make the frame or select the object that the drone has to track. Let's fly. I'm not setting the other function for now. Let's see how it works. I think it couldn't track an object which is moving too fast. The track function ends automatically. Or maybe I have to change the orbit speed next time. Okay, now I'm going to test the track function with hoverboard. Mark the object. I leave the setting as it is and let's fly. Looks good. Not bad at all. I'm going to try the follow function now. The height 4 meters and distance 3 meters. Direction mode north, direction south. Gimbal control automatic, object height half meter, object offset 0 degrees, Horizontal movement on. Let's fly. That looks good. Let's see how it reacts when I turn around. Interesting. It flies in front of me. I keep walking. It tries to overtake me and position itself in front of me again. I'm running faster without stopping. Turn around and keep running. Look at the map where the position should be. Now I change the direction mode to course and lead. Object height and other settings remain. Let's fly again. Well, it follows me from behind. Or not. It's the same as before, I think. Okay, I'm still testing the follow function, but this time with the hoverboard. Horizontal movement set off. It means the drone is hovering, but only the camera follows the object. Now I switch the direction mode to leash or follow and activate horizontal movement. Let's fly again. First of all, it positions itself in front of me. But compare my real position and the map. The drone should fly right in front of me, but its real position is a little bit sideways, so it's not so accurate. Let's try the other settings. Subject offset is for the drone angle. Look at the drone direction on the map while I change the value. Subject height, and the distance. Let's fly. I would say that's not bad either. Conclusion: track mode depends on the visibility of the object. If there are obstacles that prevent the visibility of the object, the drone can no longer follow the object, or the mode is switched off automatically. And follow mode depends on the signal of the remote control. Although the drone doesn't see the object, but it receives the signal, it can still follow it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and wassalam.